A lot of people ask me, do I hold my threads when I start to sew? And on a Bernina 880, if I'm starting with fabric underneath the needle at that very first stitch, then no, I don't usually hold my threads when I start to sew. If I'm going to be starting and there's not fabric underneath my needle, well, yeah, now we don't really have anything for those threads to kind of get a hold of. That would be one time I might go ahead and hold them. But you'll notice there is a line on your throat plate right across here. The horizontal line is where you can put your fabric up to it, and then you know that your needle is going to start in the fabric and you don't need to actually hold your threads when you start to sew. But I do let the machine do all the work for me. At the end, if my needle is in the down position when I stop sewing, I let the machine bring the needle to the highest position. So I can touch my needle up button, I can use my thread cutter and let the machine cut the thread and bring the needle to the highest position. So I'm rarely ever over at the hand wheel, turning that hand wheel when I am needing to turn my needle or bring my needle out of my fabric. So if you'll let the machine always start and stop at its highest position, use the cutter, use these buttons and features, that's why they're right at your fingertips. You will run into less problems if you let the machine do the sequences that it needs in the right order every single time.